Good. All right. Hello. Thank you for coming. Appreciate you being here. Um, some announcements. I think I have some stuff for you, some packets, and the Vertex coloring packet or any other packet that you have not turned in, I would like today, and I'll get them back to you on Tuesday. Keep in mind the first draft is due tomorrow of your paper, so make sure you're working with your group and get it in. If you get it in early, there's a chance that I'll be able to look at it tomorrow and give you any feedback early. Let's see how course evaluations are going. I'm gonna pause. Okay, other announcement. I just found out that the math capstone presentation is this coming Monday and Wednesday at like 10:30, and I would like to go to that. And I currently have office hours scheduled for Wednesday. So I'll be there for like the first 30 minutes and the last 30 minutes, but I want to go to the presentations. And I encourage you if you would like to also go to the presentations. Let me pull that up. But otherwise, even if you're not planning to go, I'm usually free the rest of the day, so make an appointment if you want to talk. So this thing is over here because I want I want to watch the Pope come out on the balcony. So this is gonna be hanging around in the corner, and then if you notice something happening, let me know. Um, Otherwise, we've got work to do. So, okay. So there's a new assignment called grouping where, true to my word, I have some problems for you to work on. So I think we might try and split. So with what we have right now, I think we've got enough for 2 even groups. If more people come, maybe we can make a third group. And so I've got 2 main problems. There's technically 3 here, but one of them is like a variation. So the first problem is I have a roster of, let's say, 30 students, and I want to put them into pairs for my 10 lab assignments for CS222. And I want each pairing to be unique, where every time there's a lab assignment, I don't want someone to be working with someone they've worked with before. And so my question is, first, can we do it? Second, how second, third, and fourth is let's try and vary one of these numbers. So if we vary like the number of students that I have, what's the minimum number of students that it's not possible anymore to have completely unique pairs. Number 3 is if I want them in pairs and I have 30 students, how many assignments can I have before that it's not possible anymore? And then if we keep the number of assignments and the number of students static, then how big can I make my groups until I can't have this configuration? So the goal is unique groups for all of the assignments. So I might skip this. So this one is my lab problem for CS222. This one is my video problem for CS374, where I have students in groups of 3 and try and do the same thing. Okay, so any questions on the lab groups? Any clarifications? Is it clear what I'm asking? Okay, as we go, you can ask as well. So then the other question is, so my mother does a summer camp every year, and I go and help her, and I have to assign the children to the groups. And so I'm given a list of things. And so up here I've got also examples. All of this data is not real. It was synthetically generated. There's like a name generator, and this is random. So just so you're aware. So I have this list of, oh my gosh, wait, is it happening? It's happening. Thank you. Hold on. Okay. All right, so we have a list of children, first and last names. They have some grade levels, so preschool through fifth grade. And there's some list of restrictions where someone dislikes someone else, right? So those are our restrictions. And we need to have a list of groups. So the facility is going to be limited to 9 groups where we have 4 different colors, orange, yellow, green, and blue. Each of those groups gets split into 2. So like orange 1, orange 2. Plus there's a separate group for preschoolers called red, and all preschoolers go there. If we need to, we can add another color. Children who dislike each other or are related to each other should not be in the same group, with the exception of preschoolers. All preschoolers go in the red group. And additionally, I would like any grade to be present in anything. So other than the preschool group, it should be multi-age. So like, don't put all the 5th graders in one group, all the young kids K through 2 or something in one group. So how should I best assign groups? So first, I've got some files for you to try it out with. And so then once you have that, then try and give me a general solution. So, so we'll split into groups, and like last time, I would like some sort of document of explaining the answer. And so first, make sure it's very clear how you represent this as a graph. What are the vertices? What are the edges? And then answer what the problem is asking. And then any insights or what makes it complicated or things that may need clarification. But as always, I'm walking around and happy to answer questions. Sounds good?